Welcome back, folks. Get strapped in because I've got one wild roller coaster ride to share with you today. Remember when I promised you an adrenaline-fueled journey? Well, hold on tight because I delivered. Last week was absolutely insane with extreme conditions that pushed us to our limits. But guess what? We are finally zooming towards victory. Can you believe it's already week 4 of our awe-inspiring True Forex Funds 400k challenge? Alright, enough with the chit chat. I know what you're dying to ask. Did I pass the challenge with a jaw-dropping 100% win rate again? Well, the answer is an undisputable yes. And let me tell you, there's no room for doubt here. I smashed through the challenge, achieving that mind-blowing 100% win rate. But hey, don't just take my word for it. I've recorded every nail-biting second so you can witness the proof for yourself. I don't mess around with unrealistic claims like those other traders out there. My results are as transparent and public as they come. Can you believe that just 2 weeks ago, we were on the verge of blowing up the entire challenge? But oh, how the tide turns. Now we are basking in the glory of this incredible win. The thrill, the excitement, oh man, it's indescribable. And here's the exciting part. I can't wait to spill the beans on what went down in the 4th week, leading to this absolutely astonishing outcome. But before we dive into all the juicy details, let me take a moment to introduce myself properly.
Hi, my name is Bernd, and as you may already know, I love trading indices and precious metals. You've seen me trade them over the past 3 months on 2 different challenges, and I haven't failed once. Today, you'll watch me close all my open positions from the 3 previous weeks. Yes, I will manually close each of them. 2 trades on platinum, 1 on gold XAU, and 1 on the Dow Jones US30. I will discuss why I did this, and you'll watch me sweating bullets the second I realize I should lock in these profits fast. This $400,000 challenge ends today. What a long way we have come though.
Get ready to dive into this week's keyword, strategy. Have you ever wondered how to effectively strategize your open positions? When should you trust your initial setup to exit a trade? And when should you manually close your positions? Buckle up because we are about to uncover these answers. But before we do, let me share something interesting with you. If you're watching this video right after exploring the first few weeks of our series, you may have noticed some interesting shifts in my trading emotions. It may seem that I'm going through emotional highs and lows, but trust me, it's all part of the trading journey. This isn't some poker game. This is where the road of wealth begins.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our True Forex Funds YouTube challenge documentary. It's the start of week 4, so it's day 16. So I just basically want to do the recording here. It's Monday. The market, US market is opening in 8 minutes. But we are up 15k unrealized, so I need 1 more k and 4 positions open, sorry. So I just to show you, I want to do this strategically. So you see here platinum. Platinum is in a 4-hour supply zone, and we stretched that move already quite a lot. So we have, I see right now a little bit more potential on gold and obviously on Dow Jones to go a little bit higher. We don't need them to go much higher. So that's why I'm closing now manually both platinum trades on both accounts. We will do this while the recording is running. Here we close this one and we close this one. All right, so we booked 6k, right? So we have now, we can remove this chart here, no need. I would have needed it for anyway, doesn't matter. I'll go into the other account, into the second account, into the second 200k account. I'll close it here manually as well. The first one and the second one. All right, I'll come back once price goes a little bit higher and maybe we can close the positions together. Let's see if I'm in front of the screen or not, but I'll try to manage it that we can do this together. All right, guys, see you later.
A few minutes later.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, let me start the recording here. This is part 2 basically. And I told you I'll be back once price hits the target or is close to hit the target so we can celebrate the challenge win together. Now, we are very close. We need $500 more. Let's see if this is going to happen within the minutes. Would be nice if it happens within the recording. So I'm going to close the trades manually. I think it's easier. $500. Yeah, I'm going to close it manually. Let me see where I could potentially put the targets. I think this is enough. Let me see quickly how we could manage that. On gold, I'm up. Let's do this all together. 922. We need $500. 49, right? Yep. 55. 55. So if gold comes back here, that would be enough on that 4-hour chart. And here we can put the target on the highs. That would be also enough. Let's go to the other account, to the second account. We do the same. Now would be interesting to know in which account I'm logged in. Who cares? We will see that in a second here. All right, so this is the other account. We put this here. And we put here the target. Here's the target already. Quite nice. 5.4. Yeah, that should be enough here to the top. All right, so yeah, $500 more. I just adjusted the targets. But yeah, I think if we wait just a little bit, then these targets will hit hopefully one or the other, right? So if, for instance, now Dow hits first, if Dow hits first 5.1, even with the Dow alone, we would hit, I think, the target, and then I will close gold manually, right? Gold is right now, this is a 4-hour chart, it's just meandering. It's not doing a lot, but Dow seems strong again because we are undervalued, right? Undervalued not only versus the treasury bonds, which is usually the primary asset that I'm going to measure the Dow with, right? The treasury bonds. But we are undervalued versus dollar. We are undervalued versus gold. And as I said, we are undervalued versus the treasury bonds. And once we are undervalued versus all of them, this is when we don't get this very often, but this is when we get a really, really strong move. So now gold starts to move as well. Dow, of course, is in an area, you see where Dow, the past few times, this area was rejected, but it's the 4th or 5th time, so I would expect all unfilled orders being filled in this particular area. I would expect price to go through here. We need not much, well, $300 more or less. I'm going to close manually if we are just a little bit, or I can just wait until it hits the targets, but both are strongly now moving higher. So yes, the recording might take a little bit longer here. I hope not too long, but it's maybe even like a nice movie to see if we will manage to hit the target, yes or no. So we are very close. I'm on the trigger to close even manually, but it's always nice to hit always also the targets. But here the target is 16K, 8%, right? So let's see what is going to happen. But the problem is I have to switch between two accounts, so this will take a few seconds. So yeah, gold is just not, gold doesn't want to just make this small move here. It's not a lot. It's like, how much is it? $2, $3? It's not that much for gold to move usually, but it's also an area, difficult area, as you can see, to for gold to go through. Although there's no strong supply in this area, that's why I don't expect price to fall through this area, because everything is here used up. You see here, this reacted from this supply, this reacted from this supply, this reacted from this supply, this reacted from this supply. So you see all the supplies are not fresh anymore, which means that now I don't, and this is also not strong supply. So since it's not fresh, it's not high quality, I would expect price to go through these particular areas. So let's wait and see if we can push through that area now and hit the target. I think I wait for hit the target, and because I think, how many trading days we have? 3 trading days. I think we need a few more trading days, 2 more trading days. It's easily to fit with micro lot trades on a euro dollar, just a micro lot in and out, and that's it. But yes, so let's wait a little bit for gold to push. So we are above 16K, but I don't want to now close manually. I want to be, because I need a little bit of buffer. I need this little bit of buffer. Gold is moving. Gold will also hit the target, so I can just let's quickly go to the other account. So here I can close now. You see we are up 16,100, perfect. Let's go to the other one. We are here 16. I'm closing 16,128 and passed, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go to our dashboard and look at our dashboard and account statistics. Passed, max loss. Result, today's profit, and you see what is also nice, 4 trades, 0 losses, yes, 0 losses. Where do I see the win rate? Win rate, 100%, ladies and gentlemen, here. 100% win rate. Again, swing trades. We didn't have to scalp, we didn't have to day trade even, just swing trade. It took us 16 days, not even 16 days, we just closed it beginning of day 16. And 4 trades, 100% win rate on both accounts. To show you guys here, same thing, same, because we placed the same trades, win rate 100%. All right, guys, we have done it. So congratulations to us. So we just passed 400K challenge on True Forex Funds.
That's a wrap, folks. We conquered the challenge and ticked that box. In just 16 days, we nailed it with only 4 trades. 2 of them were in the same market. Absolutely epic swing trading at its finest. And guess what? Our win rate was a flawless 100%. But hold on tight, because I'm about to reveal the secret sauce. Your trading strategy and experience are the game changers. Trust me, I've got a decade of full-time trading under my belt, and I know what really makes a difference. Let's keep it real though. I know my strengths and limitations. Sharing my trading skills and emotions with all of you amazing viewers on YouTube has been one incredible journey. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment below and tell me what you want me to conquer next in the prop trading realm. Let's make it happen together.